Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to import and export our themes. Let's get started. So we're going to break this up into two parts. The first part will be exporting our theme, while the second will be importing our theme. So starting on the dashboard CMS, we're going to select the themes icon. Once here, we'll hover over a theme and select export. And just like that, you've learned how to export a theme. Now, the second part. We'll hover over Import, select Upload, and select a theme. We just need to name our theme and select Save. And just like that, you've learned how to import and export a theme. Thanks, everyone.